Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of my application which I have made on the URL safety checker application. So in the previous video we have learned about the main activity, the manifest, and how the application configuration and the logic works. So in this video we are going to learn about the MainActivity.kt and the UI components. So let's get into the video. First of all, I want to explain the intent filter which I have made in this application. Now let's talk about the intent filter in our Android manifest. So the intent filter tells Android how our application should behave when it's launched. In this case, the activity includes two key entries, such as the first is android.intent.action.main, which declares this activity is the main entry point of the application. The second is android.intent.category.launcher, which makes the application show up in the device's app drawer and allows it to be launched by the user. Without these two pieces, the app wouldn't appear as a launchable icon on the home screen. So the intent filter is essential what makes our main activity the starting point of the entire app. So let's go to the next slide. Now let's talk about the MainActivity.kt, which contains all the logic of our application. When the activity is created, we connect our UI components, the edit text button and text views using find view. We then set the cyber safety tips by calling the build cyber info text function. When the user taps the check button, the app reads the text from the URL field, trims it and send it to the checker function. Inside this function we first check whether the input is empty. If it is empty, we display an error message in red. Next we convert the URL to lowercase and check the suspicious words like malware or free money subsidize, etc. We also check whether the link uses HTTPS using event statement. We decide whether the URL is unsafe, cautionary or safe. Each result update the text view with the different colors to clearly show the status. So in summary, main activity contains the core logic which collects the input, analyze it and displays the appropriate safety message to the user. So going to the next slide. In this slide, let's look at the UI components used in the application. Our layout is simple but effective, and it contains four main elements. First we have an edit text which allows the user to type in an URL they want to check. Next is a button labeled check, you can see in the screen. When the user taps this button, the app runs the safety check logic. Then we have the text view called the result view. There there is a display whether URL safe or unsafe or requires caution. Lastly, there is another text called text view that shows cyber security tips. So in this application, you can copy paste the URL which you want to check, and you can just check whether it's safe or unsafe. And also I have like put some stuff which are like the caution tip or safety tips, how to react when you are having a unsafe URL. So this provides educational content about malware, ransom and the other threats. Together, these components create a clean and user-friendly interface that guides the user step by step. So that's all in this video. In this video, we have learned about the intent filter, the main activity.kt, UI components, and how it works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.